Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix line type scale looking wrong in Viewports using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your vanishing dashes on your current setup session, so your line patterns look exactly the same on your paper layout as they do on your main drawing board. Step 1. Type the paper space line setting command. The first step is to type a short setting shortcut into your software typing row to tell the program how to calculate line patterns inside your white layout views. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen. Type the letters psltscale on your keyboard and press the Enter key. Look closely at the small prompt choices that appear right next to your cursor tip or in the bottom text line, because this hidden visibility switch acts as a rulebook for your drawing patterns. You have to open this setting entry so you can tell the system whether to scale your dashes based on your paper size or your drawing size. Without this step, your software will keep guessing the pattern sizes incorrectly every time you open a print window. Step 2. Change the rule number to 0. Next, you need to enter a specific control value into the typing bar to turn off the automatic scaling system that is ruining your line looks. Type the number 0 inside the active choice row on your keyboard and hit the Enter key firmly to save the change. Watch the bottom notification row to verify that the value has successfully updated from 1 to 0. Because when this setting is set to 1, the program engine will constantly distort your dashed lines to fit the zoom level of your print window. By typing 0 instead, you force the software to drop that bad behavior completely. It ensures your line patterns maintain their true original design properties regardless of how big or small your print box is zoomed. Step 3. Repeat the change for your main model canvas rule. Now you need to change a sister setting command to make sure your main dark workspace map matches your new paper layout rules perfectly. Click back into your bottom typing row, type the letters psltscale, press the Enter key, type the number 0, and hit Enter one more time. Ensure that this secondary setting row also shows a successful change to 0 on your monitor view. Because these two background calculation rules work hand in hand. If they do not match each other perfectly, your dashed lines will look great on one sheet, but look completely solid and broken on another. Setting both rows to 0 creates a perfectly straight and reliable data path for all your line patterns. It is the key step to getting the right output because it keeps your display rules uniform across the entire file. And that's it. To fix line type scale looking wrong in Viewports, you must first type psltscale into your bottom bar and set it to 0. Then you type msltscale and set it to 0 as well, so your background options match perfectly. Next, you move back to your paper sheet view layout on your screen rows. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.